In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on your Shopify store if you're using the Dawn theme. This seemingly small change can make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your website, making it more aligned with your brand's identity. So let's dive right in and give your Shopify store a fresh new look in just about 5 minutes. Firstly, start by going to the Shopify website. Here you'll find a login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you're already logged out, it should take you directly to the login page where you'll need to enter your email address that's associated with your Shopify store. Once you've entered your email, you'll be asked to type in your password. Fill it in and click on login to access your Shopify dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the My Store homepage of your Shopify admin panel. This is your command center where you can control almost every aspect of your Shopify store. From here, locate and click on Online Store, which is usually found in the left sidebar of the dashboard. This section of Shopify is where you tweak everything related to the visual aspect of your store, including themes. Upon clicking Online Store, you should see your store's themes listed. Locate the Dawn theme amongst your themes. If it's not already active, you'll need to navigate through your themes until you find it. Once you've located the Dawn theme, you'll see an option to customize. This button takes you into the theme editor where all the magic happens. Click on Customize to proceed. Inside the theme editor, look towards the bottom of the sidebar menu for a button labeled Theme Settings. Clicking this will reveal various settings options for your theme, including colors, typography, and more. Since we're here to change the font, go ahead and click on Typography. In the typography settings, you'll notice several sections corresponding to different parts of your website where fonts are used, such as headings, body text, and buttons. To change the font, you would typically click on the section of text you wish to edit. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's say we're changing the font used in headers. Find the header font option and you'll see the current font highlighted. Click on this highlight and a list of available fonts will appear. Shopify offers a wide range of fonts, from classic to contemporary styles, ensuring you'll find something that suits your store's personality. Once you find a font that you like, click on it to select it, then your selected font will be highlighted. After selecting your new font, it's crucial to preview the changes to ensure it fits well with your website's design. Shopify's theme editor offers a live preview of your changes, so take a moment to navigate through different pages of the preview to see how your new font looks across your store. If you're satisfied with how the new font looks, remember to click on the Save button located at the top right corner of the theme editor. This action applies all the changes you've made to your live website. Failing to save means your changes will not be visible to your visitors, so don't skip this step. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font on your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. This simple yet impactful change can greatly influence how visitors perceive your brand, so feel free to experiment with different fonts until you find the one that perfectly conveys your brand identity. Before wrapping up, here are a few tips to consider when choosing a new font for your Shopify store. Always ensure readability across devices, keep your brand voice in mind, and try to limit the number of different fonts to maintain a cohesive look. Thank you for following along this tutorial on how to change the font on your Shopify Dawn theme. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Wishing you great success in personalizing your online store and making it uniquely yours.